Good morning. We will start the morning call. On the US markets front, the US markets ended higher on Tuesday, lifted by a rally in Tesla as investors bet on positive results from US China trade talks aimed at diffusing a tariff dispute that has roiled global markets this year. On the Asia markets, the Asia Pacific markets mostly climbed on Wednesday as investors continue to track trade discussions between US and China, with US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick described as being productive. Indian stock market, the Sensex snapped its 4-day winning streak on Tuesday on profit booking amid global cues. Now I would like the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Today's Nifty outlook seems to be on the flattish note, despite a golden crossover and a good gap up open over the consolidation zone. It has seen that it is not meeting its demand and is likely to witness a sideways move during the day. So the Nifty's immediate resistance lies at around 25,170 levels. Once a decisive break above that level happens, we could see a further upside at around 25,240 till 25,300 mark. On the flip side, the support levels can act upon 25,40 levels and 24,970 levels. On Bank Nifty, immediate resistance can be seen around 57,000, despite on Monday having a decisive close above its consolidation zone. Now it seems to slug around 56,700 levels. Further upside above 57,000 levels can expect a rise above 57,240 and 57,500 levels. On the support side, 56,540 and 56,200 levels seems to be a very good support. Coming on the stock perspective, a positive bias can be seen on Amphosis and MDC and Persistent as it is giving an inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout. And on the negative bias, Tata Steel, Tata Consumer, M&M seems to be on the bearish side. So that's all from the technical desk. Now I forward it to the derivative desk.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we witnessed that there has been a sideways momentum from the index front on the Nifty front, especially. But currently, as per the stock specific, we are witnessing that the buyers are healthy and overall the stock pattern seems to be on the positive front. Currently, on the OI basis, we are seeing that on the monthly basis between 25,000 to 25,200 strike the Colorado positions are still holding strongly. Once Nifty manages to give closing about 25,200 level on the spot basis, then we will see major liquidation on the Nifty front and likely to see some range shifting on the upside towards the 25,500 to 25,800 level. So currently strength seems to be in the positive front. While if you look at the India VIX also cool off sharply from 18 level, it came near 14 level. So continuously from last 3 days also we are seeing that India VIX is continuously coming down. So volatility is likely to getting decreased in the market, but only the major resistance zone is 25,200 level. Once that gets settled out, then we will witness a fresh buying overall in the market. Currently, new long positions can be created and can be held with the support of 24,800 level. Once Nifty again goes below 24,800 level, then only we will witness some sort of profit booking. Till that point of time, fresh buying will be initiated on the overall front. As per the sector specific front, IT, metal, pharma, and power sector looks positive, and we will witness more buying in today's day of our trading session. Currently, counter that looks positive in today's session will be OFSS, Blue Star, Tata Power looks positive, while on the negative front, DMart, Keynes, and PPL Pharma looks negative. So that's it from Reddit front. Thank you.
Commodity team can take the call forward.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. In today's session, past 2 days, we are witnessing a range bound movement in gold. Prices are resisting 97 500 and on downside taking support around 96 200. So there could be some consolidation within this range. So trading within this range is recommended, wherein silver one can buy on dips around one lakh 6,000 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 450, and um, on upside it can test 1 lakh 8,000, 1 lakh 8,500. And in metals, some profit taking expected. Copper one can sell around 880 with a stop loss of 885. On downside, it can test 875 to 870. And zinc to prices are consolidating from 250 to 254. So for pullback, one can buy with a stop loss of 250, and on upside again 254, one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 256. And in crude oil, profit taking is expected. Prices have already tested 56, 68 levels on upside. So some profit taking expected. Can test 5500 to 5450, whereby again one can initiate a buy. And for trading purpose, one can sell around 55, 83 to 5600, and maintain a stop loss of 56, 70. And again downside 5500, 5400, one should book profits, and again enter long for the pullback. And in natural gas, we are expecting prices to correct. So wait for a pullback, sell around 310 with a stop loss of 318. And on downside, again, expect it to test 297, 293. That's it from us. Thank you very much.